Sanibona bafethu, a very good win 2 against Stellenbosch bafethu. Iyona igame ebengisaba kakhulu leyo. I feel like njengoba sesiwine le game bafethu kokuthina we nearly there guys. Naku la sikhona gents mathathu phela sisalele Magesi City, iDurban City, Open College. Magesi, okay. So bashaya vele, you know, it's not gonna be that difficult. City yasinikeza inkinga bafethu emabhida kwi-first leg, but we managed to win the game. Orbits badlala home iground. I just hope ukuthi umhlobo wethu ngekuphele ngala day we can win these games, but we need a proper good rest defense, because I can assure you they won't score. Tina, are we gonna score? Now it's a matter ukuthi us wanting to score sizokwazi ukumanage game pressure, and ukhosho wethu ibhola is too quick. We scored amagoli awu-2 nge-first half, very good game management second half, but I'm really worried ukuthi sometimes siyawarasha kakhulu ama-games. It's good ukushintsha pace kwi-second half of a ground, but not on our half. Like isibonelo nje bafethu kule game, I don't know noma i-coaching or undaba. I was complaining ukuthi before the game iqale uHotho sengale usibelebele usengale kwi-half. This time around besiba ne-back 3, undaba ubehlela kwi-half yethu. I invert more like to come in as a midfield. This allows ukuthi uMbatha a-progress nebhola and uKeshbe noMakhawula bebe more dominant, benza ama-run. I believe so ukuthi that is how we should play. And then the more undaba invert ngaphakathi siyakwazi ukuba ne-build up ngoba sinamanambers amaningi kwi-half yethu. Now I saw something different. I'm not sure noma inxa pitch noma yini behlala ama-long balls, besingaqali kwi-build up phase besihamba sisiya phambili, of which we're gonna have a problem kuma-pitch amancane, because we need to dominate ukudlala ibhola, sithola ama-spaces, sirane behind ama-defense, sifike. uTito Masangayo is gonna be very important for the pitches at 3, because he can run behind the defenders. He's a njalo. I just don't like it when Izolanda ibhola call cash and then he needs to progress in our forward. I expect Mbatha to be more forward, and I believe ukuthi cash gives us stability. Sokwenza i-rest defense uyakwazi ukucover mangabe usibelebele hambile and futhi mangabe undaba ehambile. Now are we gonna play back uHotho? If uHotho plays back, we need to coach him ukuthi boy, do not just we need to have ama-numbers kuqala. Into yokuqala we need to score unenil, stay deep and then stay forward. I saw Mfukeng coming on the left and Apollo is coming on the right. He did well in terms of stretch the opponent, because amateam amaningi are getting manje Mfukeng beno Apollo, because but dangerous. Now coach wethu needs to be very clever. We need to compromise Mfukeng kuma games 8. Put him wide, cut in short, no pass, because now we play him as a number 10. You're gonna have a problem. Ngeke sikwazi ukuba nama touches amaningi, ngeke sikwazi ukuba nama forward passes, because bazomaga. We put him wide, and then I believe we're gonna need to mbule kulama game, because some games azoba nzima ukuthi asibreakeke bafethu. Labahlala nabo, especially Magesi ne-Orbits, they will want at least a point against us. So to be very stubborn, we played the Magesi. It's not easy to win. So, and then even iDurban City baqhamuka kwi-draw and baqhamuka winner i-final. I-confidence level is very high. So they're playing ibhola eqelifane ne-Stellenbosch, where they will have ama-wingers achithayo. I think unumber 11 wabo, he will come at number 10. I think uSifumba noSiseko number 10. They will maga deep, but futhi bakwazi ukuphuma. So when we have uHotho also see ibhola uma lingakuthinde behambe, we're gonna have a problem. Well done to Sipochian, ukubreaker i-record Dalisha, well done. I feel like before it's up to us. We're gonna watch it down, we still drop points. So Lele, the Galaxy, they'll drop points. For us, we need to win. Come on, gents, we need to win. Bafowethu, he remains unbeaten. Bafowethu, Mbatha whenever ekhona kwi-Pirates ayikaze ihlule i-Pirates this season. Bafowethu, this says ukuthi this midfielder is something. This midfielder is something else. We just need to find a player who will complement him. Coach was putting Gwinem Tangela. Sorry for him to get injured. Why are you forcing Gwinem Tangela for system? Why are you putting him? Why was the moment the number 10? Since when? Why are you putting him as a number 10? And then Mangabe Selimele Ufara of the Chong. We were supposed to put number 10 for number 10. Why are we letting pressure? A problem with us in the down to good see. Tina, we have good players. We lack a tactical dominance Kuma games. It downs, they have good players, but not sharper as us, but they have a very good tactical team. They know when and how and who. Sometimes very painful, they lose it. So like we could have lost like normal true like if coach I'm sorry to limit Tangela part upungena kwa the Jong step last us a little bit because now we can't put holding midfield I3 a game ayikho against us. So give all our forwards, we just need it technical team to be very spot on. Play game, and then Mangabe's progress quick second half. Let's be quick, and we cannot play Mbutuma Bafowethu kula game as number 9. We cannot look put us lanes. We need to make up forward. Manja as experiment. We need to umbule. We cannot compromise the league. We cannot. Thank you.